So today, I'm going to review the rest of the products that the Yellow Fat Biltong warehouse in Pretoria sent me. I'm looking forward to it, quite honestly. Let's first take the C-grade Yellow Fat Biltong bush cattle. Let me show you what it looks like. Here goes. The biltong are really delicious. I rate this biltong 8.2 out of 10. And then the regular chili, cherry, and cheese cabanossi. That's what it looks like. As I always say, it's all in the taste, so let's taste what it tastes like. I love the way it smokes. It's smoked. It tastes just right. I rate this an 8.4 out of 10. And then the Yellow Fat Biltong sticks, chili bites. That's what it looks like. Got a slight burn to it, a tanginess. But you know I love chili. This is very nice. This is really very nice. I rate this 8.5 out of 10. And then the regular biltong bites. Looks more or less like the chili bites, just without the chili. Here goes. Personally, I prefer the chili bites because I love chili. But the regular bite got a very rich, nice taste to it. I rate that an 8 out of 10. And then the second last is a biscuit dry ball. That's what it looks like. That is really nice. That's very nice. I rate that also 8.5 out of 10. And then lastly, I'm sorry it's finished now, salami sticks, but I also rate. That's what it looks like. You can see the red color of the salami. All in the taste, I always say. I must admit, this is actually my least favorite, but it's also still very nice. I rate it a 7.8 out of 10. Cheers guys, love you all till next time.